German Air Force fighter jet, special mission jet, helicopter, trainer jet and UAV. Fighter jets. Eurofighter Typhoon, role, multi-role aircraft, in service, 141. Panaviator NATO, role, multi-role aircraft, in service, 60. Special mission jets. Panaviator NATO, role, suppression of enemy air defenses, in service, 24. Helicopters. Sikorsky CH-53C Stallion, role, heavy lift cargo helicopter, in service, 79. Eurocopter EC-145, role, light helicopter, in service, 15. Eurocopter AS-532, role, utility helicopter, in service, 3. Trainer jets. Panaviator NATO, role, conversion trainer, in service, 6. Unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV. IAI Heron TP, role, surveillance, in service, 3. On orders. Eurofighter Typhoon, role, multi-role fighter, on order, 38. FA-18 Super Hornet, role, multi-role fighter, on order, 30. EA-18G Growler, role, electronic warfare aircraft, on order, 15. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.